Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session we learn the two-dimensional array in C language and print the odd digit sum and even digit sum. So yes, let us start how it's print. So here I fix my position of screen and so you can watch better with my video lecture, and here Turbo C++ is there. So I selected and some process now is open, yes, and Alt F file menu is open and taking new file, and here our goal, just write a program to enter 2D array, two-dimensional array, and print it elements even and odd sum. So means it means one 2D array. So yes, I think that simple definition is there. So stdio.h and then conio.h, yes, console input output and standard input output, and then yes, void main, yes, and we can take, yes, what is this? Yes, now so here we can void main, and first I save this file, yes, so a 2D, because we cannot give the first as a digit or file name, and element means even odd sum. So here we can say that sum, okay, and that C extension, otherwise that C++ save. So yes, here we can first declare x 3 by 3, okay, and then I and j. So first we can scan and print. So clear screen is there, yes, and then give the suitable message. So enter 2D array elements. Yes, elements. So first, yes, now is okay. And not scan, but take for loop. So I equal to 0. Yes, I less than 3 and I plus plus, and second inner for loop, that is a j. Yes, 2D array is a 2 for loop and 1D array is a 1 for loop. So that is a simple, and yes, here is not, yes, now perfectly, and j plus plus. So here we can scan with index, yes, so index or 2D array. So x of percentage d, and then again percentage d, because there are two index, row and column, yes, and we can take the scanf function. So percentage d and ampersand x of I and j, that is x of ij, and then one row we can scan, that second row we can take one slash n, so we can distinct the second row start to scan. So that is a scan is perfectly, I think, print, scan, and now print on print. So I copy and then here provide the get ch, and here we can word remove enter, and the array element r, okay, and here I remove the brace inner loop, and here scanf function not required because we have to print only, and then first print with index and then remove the, because we can 2D array, so with matrix format we have to print, okay, and yes, slash n is a required, but brace is not required, so here I remove the brace, yes, so only one statement in inner for loop. So yes, first we can check how that element is print, and here I provide one blank, so that print perfectly. So 3 by 3, yes. So yes, our 1, 2, 3, first row, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So yes, that perfectly print, but first that not print perfectly means, and one brace is here remaining, so that is not a yes now, okay. And here, yes, now is okay, and here we can provide the slash n. So Yes, yes, let us check what is there. Yes, so slash n, yes, require bracket here. I not provide, and now is okay. So let us check again. So perfectly scanning and printing, then yes, entry time is one, less is less. So also giving the that copy. So that is not perfectly. Yes, now output is perfectly, and here also provide the slash n. Yes, now is okay, and here one brace is remaining is printing. So that is perfectly now okay. So let us check again. Yes, now perfectly print. Okay, so I think perfect. And here we can also provide the station. Now all are well. Okay. Now we can take the even and odd element. Yes. So here we can take two integer variable, and that is sum, even sum, and sum is always zero, and odd o sum. So that is also zero. So we can take like here our printing is there. So yes, here we can decide in this for loop. Yes, and just first I copy this all, and also we can yes, print. There is no taking other for loop. So here we can printing and also checking that element is even or not. So yes, we can both time print even and odd element, and that element is there. So here I give condition. So yes, x of I and x of j, and then modulo 2. So that is a, we can say that sum we have to take. So here I loop, and e sum plus equal to x of ij. Yes, that element is also print, and we can take. Yes, and then else part, just same I copy, but here only one statement is yes, so else directly, and then o sum plus equal to x of I and x of j, and same copy this line. So that is print, and also we can print our element even sum and odd. So both are working for. You can also print in separate for loop. There is no any problem. So here that brace is a inner for loop over, and outer is only that slash means slash and new line giving the outer for loop statement. Okay, now there is no any error. So yes, I think perfectly. Let us check even some odd sum. So yes, I give now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yes, all are perfectly print, but we can take the condition even and odd that we have to provide, and sum also print that is remaining. So we can print the sum, even sum and odd sum. So yes, we can here taking the even and odd. Yes, so after the loop. So even element sum is yes percentage d, and here we can print the e sum and copy this line. So odd sum, yes, here odd and o only. Okay. So yes, that day I think simple, and now yes, I think perfectly work. Let us check. Yes, there is no any error. So our previous output is perfectly scanning and printing, but we cannot print the sum. So that is also print. Yes. So just now let us check how its sum is print even an odd element. So yes, slash n is required. So yes, even sum. So like we can print 2, 4, 8, 6. So that is a 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and 12 plus 8. So 20. And 1, T, 4, then 5, 4 plus 5, 9, and then 7. So 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 plus 9. So 25. Yes, so that perfectly print. Yes, so here only slash n is required. So yes, we can also print and sum, and also if you not print the like here index, is that also possibility? Like first we can print the index. Okay. Now I print in metric format. So what is do metric format? You have to know very well. In 2D array is a metric array. So here we can provide like metric array. So we can provide this sign, and also we can take that sign in the last slash n, that time new line. Okay, and here I remove the index. Yes, so we can print I'm not taking any index. So here, yes, all are removed, percentage d, and then x of ij also j remove, only one element. Yes, and here one blank, and here one blank. Here after is not required because we can give to here. Yes, and now is okay. Yes, let us check. So here we can also provide the slash n. Other is not, I think, require any slash n. Yes, all are well. So let us check how it's print. So I give same element so we can identify. Yes, so there are all in between that enter, but our even odd element and index is removed, but in between that symbol is there, so we can remove. Yes, that all are thing same element. So now, yes, where is, yes, here is a inner for loop I provide. So here that take outer for loop. Yes, here is there, so that every time is appear. So otherwise all are perfectly printed. And I think no need to link that watch loop in this session because very simple even and odd sum is there. And my previous 2D array simple, that time I take the watch window. So now is perfectly print metric format 2D array element, and we can even sum and odd sum. So that is very even odd if else condition, like one number is even and odd. Here number of element we have to check, and that sum also take in one even and odd sum is variable. So yes, I think perfectly, yes, printing, and you can give any element. Just I give 1 to 9. You take any element. Let us check run. I now give randomly element. So that sum is possibility. So I give like some different also simple and also and 1 digit, 2 digit. There is no any problem. Yes, so we can take not element. Yes, so that perfectly, but 2 digit that not means or 1 digit and 2 digits or some that is passed through only 1 digit. So that line is not perfectly maintained well because otherwise all are perfectly. Yes, so that even sum and odd sum is printing. So now, yes, I close this session. Also, you take in 1D array even sum and odd sum. That is same technique. Only one for loop. Take the if else condition, and here is a 2 for loop. We can decide the even sum and odd, means even element and odd element. So very simple logic of this. So yes, I close this file. Write this program to your notebook, and that is our close. Yes, that is simple module operator we have to use and decide the element is a even or odd. If even is that, so taking the e sum just here, and if o sum the here, and you can also print in separate for loop. Here I directly use in printing that loop in even or logic. Okay, so close this file, yes, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sehgal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. Hare Krishna.